am a mastermind. This one still work? Look at that. Okay, so putting aside all of the ThinkPads that already crap. This one's plugged in. It's actually broken, the battery, so good on me, I guess. Move this to the side. It's still recording fine? Yup. Okay then. I bring forth why didn't I think of this before? So anyway, putting all of this stuff I don't need aside, we got a package. I'll doxes myself again. Hold on. That will need editing. So anyway, like that. Yeah, oh boy. There it is. Oh, what is this? This might be the charger brick. Oh, this is the battery. Look at that. Hopefully working. Look, battery. Over here we got. It's very nicely packaged for a $8 ThinkPad, well, euro. Please tell me it also comes with the. Yes, it also comes with the rails. And we got this stuff. The charger, original Lenovo. Very neat. And then there's, of course, the ThinkPad itself. Probably show you this. And it was already refurbished when he got it, he said. Look at that. ThinkPad T-Series T60. Very sleek. Show you it a bit better in like 5 seconds when I take out all of the, packaging material. Because we're gonna also like build in a hard drive. There were screws in here. I didn't know. Okay, they're all still here. Put all of that aside. Now we got ThinkPad over here with the extended battery. Gonna click in the battery. Does it work? Oh my god, it boots! Ha! The battery works! Does have some backlight bleeding. As you can see, it works. Go into that. Go into off, on, through the BIOS, config, Core 2 Duo T7400, 2.16 gigahertz, 3 gigs of memory. Well, that's there's no hard drive diagnostics program, but I will be blowing out the fan. Wait, no, fuck. I will be cleaning out the fan. So yeah. That's the unpacking video, I guess. Right, I almost forgot. Still all focus still. Whatever. Okay, so I almost forgot this little thing. Little mouse. It weighs nothing. 0 grams. Not a single gram. Alright, open this up. Very cool. It just opens up like that. And then we got the dongle and everything. Very cool. Click. The hard drive is in. Let's power it on and see if it detects it. Yeah, then we can also check if the fan is really that loud. Oop, that doesn't sound that good. Pretty sure the hard drive is just empty. Opening it up actually reveals, yeah, I've already cleaned this a bit, that there's some very dark residue over on the heatsink, as you can see. I'm not sure of what it is. Maybe, oh, I think this is just disintegrating. But that may also be a cause because it's also on this thing. Maybe it just needs to be greased in a bit because it doesn't appear to be that much dust, but it was very dirty. So let's just, well, clean that up a bit and put it back together. So clean it up a bit. Sometimes I wonder, should I have just dropped an extra $10 on a well-built ThinkPad? Because I would have landed me more expensive, but it would have been in better condition. There's the 3 gigs of RAM. I don't know what that is. There's the hard drive. Yeah, it's all there.